In front of me is TCL 30, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this phone. So first of all, I reach Settings, then find and select Security and Biometrics, and then click on Fingerprint. And now pick some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or password. Let me choose pattern. Just draw it, tap on Next, and then re-enter to confirm. And now it's time to manage notification content, so you can show everything once your device is locked. You can hide sensitive content or hide notifications at all. Then click on Done. And now let's add fingerprint right here. Here you've got the sensor, it's on your power button. And now to add it smoothly, tap on it and do it until your fingerprint is fully added. You'll see the progress right here. So just keep tapping, lift your finger up and then tap it to finish the whole operation. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Just click on Done then, and from now on you can unlock your device either with your backup pattern, just like this, or by using your fingerprint smoothly by tapping on the sensor. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.